If you've ever stopped taking fish oil because of the fishy burps, well, same. I've been using this Life Extension Mega EPA DHA, and this is the first fish oil that I've actually stuck with. There's no fishy taste, no fishy smell, and I've never burped up fish oil after taking these. They're super easy to take, and honestly, I forget they're even fish oil because there's zero aftertaste. The pills aren't that big either. You can see the size there. So if you want the benefit of omega-3s without the gross part, this one is it. Click add to cart.